Hey girl, it's Kadasia and I'm back with another video. Yes, long time no freaking see, I know, but I'm back with another wig install video for you guys. Now, I did a lot of videos of me talking over, so I don't think for this video I'm going to talk over because I have another video coming out for y'all where I have to talk over it. So I'm just going to let y'all enjoy watching me install this pretty ass ginger lace frontal wig.
Godfather, man a OG, man a half humble, man a bossy. Fling a rag a rhythm like it's so free. Bossy, house on the coast. My money so long it doesn't know me. It's looking at my kids like I'm bossy. Bang, 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 ay.
So if you guys do decide that you want to try this wig, I put the information on the screen. I highly recommend. So far, I haven't had any problems with this hair, and I'm excited to order again, to be honest.
They with the acrobatic. Shut down in the city with me bad gal pussy. Every man want piece of me. The back of them a pop and them a bun weed. Man want wine behind me have to move kind dusty. I'm looking for a brother who got hella pounds. 079 baby, I'm a hammer, did you stop?
Bossy, bossy. Godfather, man a OG, man a half humble, man a bossy. Fling a rag a rhythm like it's all free. Bossy, house on the coast G. My money so long it doesn't know me. It's looking at my kids like I'm bossy.
Ayo, Sean.
Ay, so when me spitty body with it, maybe gala get with it. Spitty body with it, maybe gala get. When me chippy body with it, maybe gala get with it. Wind up your body and spin it. Girl, when you bubble out of trouble, why you give me this something now? Turn it around and bring it. You're pressing it back on and on. Never push that button, my girl, down, but I go and timid. Once you broke out and fling it. Once your body shaking up to the limit. Once you wild out to wild it to S to the base, step London and mid on edges. Is it?
Bossy, 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 bossy.
I came to rap it up, do my thing. Sammy put me on the gram and a remix thing. Hold tight Wiley with the Pacino flow. Godfather part 2, call me De Niro. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. Disrespect, man, get a slap on the chin. Man a king, man a top, oh Larry, man a big DJ, Hawks, Megan and Harry. Bossy, man a bossy. I make your girl melt like a toasty. I've been this way someday, and I write for myself, no ghosting.
Me some boy got money in a bank and ready for roll and blaze up this tank and got the girls from Jamwan to Hong Kong. The girl them champion in it. Bossy, bossy. Godfather, man a OG, man a half humble, man a bossy. Fling a rag a rhythm like it's all free. Bossy, house on the coast G. My money so long it doesn't know me. It's looking at my kids like I'm bossy. I fly around the world cause I'm bossy. Bossy, bossy. Godfather, man a OG, man a half humble, man a bossy. Fling a rag a rhythm like it's all free. Bossy, house on the coast G. My money so long it doesn't know me. It's looking at my kids like I'm bossy. I fly around the world cause I'm bossy.
This one thing that got me
this one thing I want to admit it. This one thing you know I'm so with it. It's this one thing you did. I can't help it. It's just something. It's just I don't know. It's there. I need to fight Don't know what it is. This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing you so very feeling. This one thing you did. This one thing that caught me slipping. This one thing I want to admit it. This one thing you know so well. This one thing you did.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go.
Alright guys, so this is the ending result of what my hair looks like. I look very white in this camera. I don't know what it is, but y'all, okay, I'm digging it. I'm looking in the camera, or looking in the mirror right here. I'm digging it. The camera just makes me really white. You guys go comment down below what other videos you want me to do, what other hairstyles y'all want me to try on the channel. Hope you guys enjoy the video. See y'all later.